Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Sally Tan again, and recently I have been reading a lot of news and gathering information related to the coronavirus situation. So I wanted to create a Python application that could automatically gather the news and save it into a single file for my records. So that is what we're going to be creating today, and let's get right into it. The three main Python libraries we are going to be using today are Selenium, Requests, and Beautiful Soup. Selenium is a framework that is used for navigating and interacting with HTML pages. So it can do anything from browsing a website to getting elements in that site, entering data into forms or into text boxes, drag and drops, and it is going to help us automate searching for a news category on Google. Then the request library will be used for fetching a web page, and the Beautiful Soup library will be responsible for parsing the HTML from websites, and it will help us extract every news related to the coronavirus. Let's pip install and import all these libraries, and once we have that, we are ready to get started. Make sure to also download the Chrome driver, as we will be needing that for Selenium. We'll create the blueprint of the news extractor application with the functions extract news, which takes in a news category, save news, which takes in the news page number, and our main code, which is going to live inside of this if name equals main statement. We are going to set our Chrome driver, and basically our Chrome driver is going to be our executable that Selenium uses to control Chrome. And we are going to have our Chrome driver go to google.com with the driver.get function. Then we are going to find the element queue by name with the find element by name function. And the element queue is the search box in Google, as we can see here in my developer tools. Now that we have the element queue, we can have Selenium type the category into the search box, and we will use Selenium to press the enter key to query the category in Google. And we can do all this using the send keys function. After we have searched for the category in Google, we are going to use XPath to go to the news section in Google with find element by XPath along with our XPath filter I have here. We are going to click on the page, and all of the next pages which are going to have coronavirus related news, and we are going to save the news now with our save news function. In our save news function, we are going to access the driver's current URL, which is where the Google News page for our categories resides, and we are going to fetch it with the request.get URL. Then we are going to use Beautiful Soup to parse the news page's content with the HTML parser. We can use Beautiful Soup to get all the titles and links of the news and write them into a file like this. We will just have to use Beautiful Soup to find the class that holds the title values and the link values. We can use the with open to open the file and write W or append A the file. Now we can put this all together in the main code by defining our category as coronavirus and calling the extract news function with the category. So let's try and run python newsextractor.py and wait for all of the coronavirus related news to save in our text. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this coronavirus news extractor that we created together. You can use it to track any other type of news that you want. And you can also use the Selenium and Beautiful Soup library to track different product prices, stock prices, recipes, or maybe anything on the internet that interests you. I hope this inspired you to create projects in Selenium and Beautiful Soup. Please let me know what other types of videos you want to see me make. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.